Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. This Dipat's Tamiya League random vlog is presented to you by Singgan Tamiya Racers and also by your truly Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar for Dipat's Tamiya League. Yush. Hello mga kadipat, Don Patrick D. Paragular here for another edition of Dipat's Tamiya League Random Vlog. But since meron na ngayong mainit na hapon ng Blackjack November, it's November 21, 2024, this hot Thursday afternoon, red hot Thursday afternoon as of the moment. Although nagbabalik na ngayong hanging amiya pero hindi pa ganun kalakas yung lamig tuwing madaling araw o masarap na naman matulog. Pero ito ay November 21, 2024 vlog po natin ay tungkol sa isang certain car kit na ating i-review. First and foremost, we would like to thank the Lord above always for our everyday blessings in our lives, for counting us worthy to our daily blessings, and first and foremost sa ating Panginoon nating lahat, sa ating Panginoong Jesus na nasang ating Panginoon, Diyos na Panginoon, and kahit pa paano nakapag-bike din inyong lingkod, kahit pa paano nakakahinga pa rin ng maluwag somehow sa araw-araw na pamumuhay natin. And siyempre also I would like to give special thanks to Bugoy Larios Ballesteros, to Sherwin Larios Ballesteros of Singgan Tamiya Racers and the entire ATR team yan, kina Mark Escorpizo, or kay Mark Tyres, si Ray Tombok, si Chris Canilao, at iba pa. Yan, thanks sa inyo lahat. And yan, meron tayong i-reveal na item actually. Actually, meron tayong car kit review na gagawin. For this random video log here on DTL Random Vlogs, meron lang tayong specific na car kit review na gagawin na binili po kay Ginoong Sherwin Ballesteros. So, right away, we would like to reveal it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Our car kit review will feature the Beat Magnum Premium, or the premium version of the Beat Magnum car kit from the fully cowled mini 4-wheel drive series. Also, part of a regular fully cowled mini 4-wheel drive series, which is also actually ang inyo pong lingkod, si Dipat Aguilar, paborito po niya yung mga fully cowled talaga. At matagal ko ng favorite to mula nung nagsimula akong mag-Tamiya way back 2000s pa. Hanggang ngayon, yan talaga yung mga favorite ko, tsaka yung mga Pro Series. Especially mga ganitong klaseng cowl. Ito talaga yung mga paborito kong ilaro. Na mula noon hanggang ngayon pa rin. Ganun pa rin. So, gagawa natin to ng car kit review. Itong Beat Magnum Premium AR chassis. Dati Super TC chassis ito. Itong car kit, premium car kit na ito was derived from item number 19421. I repeat, the original item number of Beat Magnum, which was a Super TC chassis car during the 90s. Ang item number noon was 19421. 19421. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng since 2015 nagkaroon na ito ng premium version in an AR chassis, mounted in AR chassis. Ang item number na nito ay 19444. I repeat, it's 19444. 444. It's number 44 in the fully cowed mini 4-wheel drive series. Itong Beat Magnum Premium AR chassis. So as we see the compositions right here, ayan nga po, AR chassis siya. Ito yung bottom view niya, pwede ka ito ang maganda sa AR chassis kasi kung sakali may mga adjustments kang gagawin, box stock man yan, pro stock, B-Max, magpapalit ng baterya at makina o motor, madali lang. Buksan mo lang yung ito, bubuksan mo lang tong diffuser at ang under panel, and then ayan, tapos bahala ka na anong adjustment na gagawin mo. Pag okay ka na at patakbo ka na uli, ikakabit lang yan, bang, and you're ready to go. Pwede ka na magpaandar, yan, switch on lang, andar na, ng problema. Sa backstock, syempre, obligado po tayo na ganito ang setup kapag backstock lang po. Sa backstock ha, kung sa pro stock, bahala kayo kung ilalagay nyo pa tong skid bar o hindi. Kung pro stock, kung backstock, kung obligado talaga na ilagay, sundin nyo lang. Sundin lang natin. Ilagay lang natin. Ganun lang kasimple, no? Alala na, gumagamit ng malaking gulong. Ito actually, ang wala namang ang pinagbago lang, naging mas advanced lang itong AR chassis. At meron siyang mga roller yan, silky smooth rollers for smoother cornering. Ayan nga po, yung mga patented design ng AR na monocoque chassis. Yung main frame is made from metallic gray ABS resin. Same goes with the ABS resin, and rin siya blue, molded in blue ABS. Itong yung mga A parts o internals kasama na yung mga roller. Yung Beat Magnum cowl also derived naman dun sa original car kit. Same goes with the wheels and tires. Yung mags pa rin yan, dinerive din yan from the old kit, from the old school kit. Actually, meron pa rin siguro yun, pero for collector's item na siguro. Pero I think meron pa yun, yung 19421 at saka 19444. Take note mga kadipat, itong Beat Magnum Premium AR kit, ay pinili ko po ito simply because of the numerology that I have. My personal numerology that I've been doing since more than a decade ago actually. It's been more than a decade already na ginagawa ko yung pagbili ko ng car kit, nakasalalay lang doon sa sarili kong numerology, at the same time kung ano yung kailangan talaga ng iba kong mga existing car kit. So that's why I bought this premium car kit Beat Magnum, which is also part of my annual numerology for this year 2024, which sums up as 8. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. Etong kasi 1944484. The same with the Big Spider. Yung Big Spider na Super 1 19408, which can also be bought with the Super 2 chassis 19439 naman. 38. Series number 3, item number 8. Ito naman, series number 8. 44 means 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Yung last 2 digits dito, series number. Pero yung item number, itong buo. Pag sinoma itong digits na to, tanggal tong 9. Ito rin, tanggal din. Ang matitira 4. 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. Ito rin, cancel out. Ang matitira na lang 4. Ito naman, 4 plus 4, 8. 8, 4 is also part of my numerology. Pero ito lang at saka yung Big Spider actually. Kaya yung pinagpilian ko talaga kanina dun sa Asingan. So again, shout out to Bogoy Larios Ballesteros, to Sherwin Ballesteros yan. Thanks so much. Sayang nga lang hindi na ako makakuha tuloy ng mga nawalaan na tuloy pala lahat. Mga kids na lang yung natira tsaka yung racetrack. Sayang. Alright. So without further ado, it's now time to unbox. So when we return, i-unbox ko lang po itong yung composition ng ating Beat Magnum AR car kit. So mga kadipat, na i-unbox ko na po na-unbox na po ng inyong pong lingkod kung ano talaga yung yung laman ng ating Beat Magnum Premium AR chassis car kit. So first up, random selection na po ito kung ano yung mabunod ko. Ito, pakita ko lang dito. First up, first to review is this ABS resin metallic gray AR chassis mainframe or the monocoque chassis. which is which serves as the mainframe of the AR chassis car kits. Yan nga po yung kanyang mainframe, made of standard ABS resin material, molded in metallic gray. Yan nga po yung versatility ng isa sa mga one of the most versatile Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive chassis that we can use in actual races, whether at home or in Dayo or sa mga Dayo series na ito nga yung madalas na nagdo-dominate talaga usually sa mga backstock, minsan sa backstock, sa pro stock, kahit sa BMAX din, palaban din, lalo na kung reinforced ang material nito, PC abs karaniwan. Kung PC abs ito, polycarbonate abs resin ito, which is a reinforced chassis, o kaya carbon fiber, kahit yung siguro masasabayan niya, at least yung masabayan niya yung ibang mga FM, FMA, etc. Yung kung ano yung mga afford ng budget ninyo, yung ganun lang. So ito yung kanyang yung main frame ng Beat Magnum Premium AR kit na natin. Next naman mga kadipat na i-reveal natin ay ang cowl, itong Beat Magnum cowl na ilalagay na kasama talaga ng car kit. Iyan nga po yung kung gaano ka aerodynamic ang design ng Beat Magnum. Ang counterpart naman nito was yung yung Buster Sonic pala, na siyang unang original Tamiya car kit ko mga kadipat. It was Buster Sonic 19423 item number. Kasunod yun ng Big Spider Zebra actually. 19423. Ito 19421 ang original item nitong original Beat Magnum kit in a TZ chassis since 1997. Ayan po, since 1997. Nakikita po yan sa Baksukiday Let's and Go World Grand Prix. Ayan, kung saan nakakalaban na rin nila yung mga Max Breaker, Shadow Breaker, yan. May crossover sila nung Let's and Go Max, yan. Ito, ang sinasabi rito, this was the ride. Ito, papakita ko lang. So, this was the ride from... This was derived from the original, from the original Beat Magnum car kit, which was the item whose original item was 19421. So, first appeared itong Beat Magnum call na to from the original item which was 19421. Number 21 yun sa fully called Mini 4-wheel drive series. So para mapanatili yung popularity ng mga old school car kit, diniride nila ngayon sa mga makabagong Mini 4-wheel drive chassis na ginagamit natin. That is yung mga Super 2, mga AR, mga MA, mga FMA, at BZ. Yan. So dito nila diniride. So actually itong ang cowl na ito was derived from the original car kit pa rin. The same goes dun sa mga Magnum Saber, Sonic Saber, Black Saber, Neo Tri-Dagger, etc. Kahit yung mga Bracken Giant, Gun Blaster, nagmula rin naman sa mga Super FM counterparts nila, iniligay naman dun sa FMA. In our modern time, modern day Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing. That is it's still a mix of old and new. May pagka old school pa rin pero nilagay na sa modernong panahon ng pagtatamiya po natin. So yun po yung cowl. So yun po yung cowl na which was only derived from the original or the first version of Beat. Next items to reveal mga kalipat are these mags. Ito nga po yon, yung kulay green na mags na yun din naman ng original wheel and tire combinations ng original Beat Magnum car kits, which is yan nga po, made from polypropylene. Itong 5-spoke fluorescent green mags yan. Yan, derived from 2015. Ito medyo may pagka magandang revision ito. Pansin nyo po yung mga umbok niya o yung threading, kung sabihin na natin yung threading kung saan tinutusok yung mga wheel shaft, medyo mas mahaba yung nasa harap pati yung sa likod. So nag-derive ito from 2015, 2015 to. Pero may siya, parang makabagong na rin siya. Ayan, 19444. So ibig sabihin yung 5-spoke na to parang ano lang yan, ni-revise lang po dito from the original Beat Magnum car kit and also the Buster Sonic car kit. The same din naman to sa Buster Sonic, yun nga lang ang pinagkaiba, yung Buster Sonic kasi yellow ang ano, ito naman fluorescent green. So ano to, yung parang dinerive din naman from the original 5-spoke mags na hawak ng Beat Magnum, Buster Sonic at Beat Magnum TRF. Ganito rin naman. Ang pinagkaiba lang ngayon, may ano na siya, may pinahaba lang ng konti yung threading kung saan sinutusok yung ano, kung saan kinakabit yung wheel shaft, no? So parang ano na rin to, parang original pero derived from the initial version nito. Ito naman yung yung large diameter in conjunction with those mags are these standard slick tires. Actually, they are standard slick tires made of thermoplastic elastomer or TPE as being stated. Derived pa rin yan from 18014. Ano yan? Yung sinaunang racing mini 4-wheel drive yan. Nakalimutan ko lang kung ano yung pero sigurado ko pag 180XX, ibig sabihin galing yan sa racing mini 4x4. Galing sa racing mini 4x4. Palagay ko sa Dash ata to na car kit. Dash na car kit. I'm not sure of the model. Pero I'm certain na galing ito sa derive ito sa mga naunang racing mini 4x4 models ng Tamiya na binuod na hanggang ngayon nagagamit pa rin naman. Ito ginagamit na lang to in case of emergency, nagagamit na lang doon sa mga speed tech pag tinitrim na gano'n lang. Next naman na i-reveal natin mga kadipat are these wheel shafts, propeller, grease for the gears, step screws for the rollers, thrust screw o 2x5 thrust screw 5mm long. Meron siyang carbon pinion for the stock motor included in the kit, which is actually an SMC type of motor. Stock SMC motor ang usually naman talaga pag AR chassis, Super 2 chassis, stock SMC ang kanilang ini-include na type 130 motor. Yan ang kagandahan sa mga premium kits. Kaya nauso po mga kadipat yung box stock ngayon during the, nowadays mga kadipat in our modern time of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing. Nauso ngayon ang box stock simply because of the premium of the release simply because of the release of the premium kits. So it's gaya ng like I said, like I mentioned earlier rather, the old school kits remade, the old school car kits are being remade in our para makamingle na siya dun sa modern time natin, modern day Tamiya racing. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko, yung nilalagay sa mga makabagong chassis. Yung Super 1, yung Super 2 derived from Super 1, AR derived from TZ and TZX, and BS as well. Yung BS, BZ pala derived from BS, Super Double X derived from Super X. Ganyan. Yung MA derived from MS. Nung nauso yung AR, yon doon na nabuo yung MA, FMA, yung Super FM na mas aerodynamic, FMA naman. Tama. So SMC motor ito, yan, may kasama yung motor and battery terminals, stock terminals, yan yung mga backstock parts. Kung ikakabit na backstock ito, i-pepper kung gusto nyo mag backstock kung gusto nyo lang, it's just also siyempre. At saka ang naka-include dito sa gears na to, ang gear set na naka-default sa car kit na to ay 4.2:1 simply because it's a red and brown combination, red counter gear G9 and G11 brown gears, brown spur gear, isang brown spur gear G11 at red G9 counter gear, which is exactly 4.2:1, very ideal for too fast, yung pag masyadong mabilis yung mga kotse mo at the same time nag-stabilize pa. Maganda rin ang acceleration na binibigay, mabagal man siyang mag top speed pero at least nasa stabilize naman niya yung takbo ng auto natin. So ano lang to, parang tactical parang tactical na lang na setting natin pagdating sa mga Tamiya races kasi it all depends on the track layout. Siyempre every track layout iba-iba rin yung diskarte na ginagawa po natin. Pero siyempre andun pa rin yung swertehan, tsambahan, and all that. Of course, kung sa mga kanto-kanto na laro, nandun ang sharking na tinatawag. May sharking din pamisa-misan. Sabay ganun no? So yan nga po yung ibang mga anak. Next on the parts list ng ating Beat Magnum Premium Car Kit ay itong mga ARA parts or internals, which is made from polyoxymethylene na material. Ang material nito ay polyoxymethylene. No wonder bakit napaka-smooth ang cornering every time na ginagamit natin itong mga rollers na to. Napaka-swabe ng takbo ng ating mga AR chassis simply because of these of the composition of the stock rollers and also the POM or polyoxymethylene wheel bearings. The fifth one being in the counter gear, usually at 3.5:1 or 4.2. You may use that, but of course it's just a matter of preference for the race car owner whether or not gagamitin yung panlimang gear na yun. So usually itong apat na to sa gulong, yung panlima it's either sa G17 na counter gear or G9 na counter gear. So yan po, made from polyoxymethylene. Yun po ibig sabihin ng POM. So of course derived from Aero Avante, which was the first AR chassis model invented and released by Tamiya Corporation ay ang Aero Avante. Yun nga rin paano yung composition nun, i-derive lang din sa AR, iniba-iba lang yung mga design ng cowl at ng mga old school designs ng mga cowls. Alright, the penultimate item. Actually, there are only 2 left from the premium car kit. Review po natin. So, penultimate item na ipapakita ko po ay ang mga stickers, decals, design, mga sticker design ng Beat Magnum, which was actually hindi, may mga ibang mga revisions din na ginawa pero parang based pa rin naman from the old school kit yung design ng mga stickers. Ayan, since 2015 yan ni-release yung Beat Magnum Premium 19444. Mas modern ang pagka-disenyo ng mga stickers, pero still derived from the old school kit. Yan. Pero ang kagandahan nito, meron na pong name tag kung saan nilalagay po yung pangalan ng hinete. For instance, so kagaya ko po, D-Pat nilalagay ko, ganun lang, D-Pat. Kung basa ni Myrtle Sarosa doon is D-Pat. I love that. I love how she pronounced that. I love ya. Shout out to Myrtle Sarosa, by the way. Yan, I love you so much, always forever. Yan, my only forever Mrs. Aguilar. Nagimasa. Ayan yung owner nito basta mga Magnum, si Go or Joey Seiba, yung inete ng mga Magnum, all the 8 Magnums. 8 Sonics naman si Jet or Retsu Seiba. Alright. And finally, but definitely not the least from the car kit, to close out our car kit review, temporarily, meron pa pala tayong yung reason bakit ko binili yung kit. Di ko pa na-explain pala. So finally, but definitely not the least, are these instruction manuals. The white one is the kit assembly here. Yan nga po yun. Yun, yung mga ibang mga precautionary measures that you must and you must not do when dealing with these Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drives, from assembling to operation, from using batteries and so on. And yung mga general instructions naman tong kulay dilaw, encoded in both Japanese and English languages. Yan, yung English translation nito ay narito. translation lang po nitong Japanese. Ano na to? Yan. Ano. Yeah, meron din instruction din regarding do sa mga battery products ng Tamiya Corporation para sa mga mini four-wheel drive at sa mga Dangan, Dangan din, ganun din. Yan po yung mga Japanese version nito, translation nito sa English ito. Ganun din naman to. Ito, iba-ibang wika naman to. Wala nga lang Filipino language. Pero marunong naman tayo mag-English, kaya it's alright. Maintindihan naman natin. That's for sure. Alright. So, that wraps up our car kit review kung ano yung composition ng ating Beat Magnum Premium AR kit. So, before we close out this video log, I would like to explain why did I purchase, aside from the reason that Beat Magnum Premium AR kit or 19444 item number is also part of my numerology for this year, 2024, and maybe on 2033. Maybe on 2033 kung magtatagal pa yung buhay ng inyong lingkod. If ever maabutan ko pa yung 2033, pwede kong kunin ulit yung Beat Magnum Premium. So I have to explain right away. For the cowl, I think I can use that with Super 2. If I'm going to use the Beat Magnum in any category that I want to, except for box stock, I'm sorry to say mga kadipat, I don't want to use this for box stock. It's simply because it has large diameter wheels and tires. So I don't want to use box stock having a large diameter set, a set of large diameter wheels and tires. So pag nag-box stock ako, I want to make sure na small diameter yung gamit na gulong ng standard car kit. So for this case, hindi ko ilalaro to sa box stock. Malamang pro stock. Malamang pro stock na lang to. Pro stock non-FM possible. Same with the Beat Magnum TRF, parehong Fortune 2 ang gagamitin kong motor sa kanila. That's it. Wala nang iba. Fortune 2 lang gagamitin ko. Nothing more, nothing less. Ganun lang. Ganun lang kasimple pag sa Beat Magnum. Kahit technical nga, ganun din. Pro stock or technical. Ito namang mainframe na to, ang main reason ko talaga for buying this car kit is simply because of this mainframe, which is metallic gray. This is perfectly suitable to Aero Manta Ray. Yung Aero Manta Ray, which is my Gavan, yung pinangalan kong Gavan na AR chassis racing car ng for pro stock non-FM. So malamang ipo-pro stock ko to. Definitely sa pro stock non-FM ko na to ilalagay pero kung B-Max ito, I want to make sure na PC apps ito. I want this mainframe to be PC apps. If I want to play this on B-Max category, I want to make sure na PC apps ito. So since it's standard apps resin only, therefore I'm gonna put that to pro stock non-FM via Aero Manta Ray. Sigapan ng dyan. Next, and the other reason, and the last reason bakit yung car kit na yun ang binili ko, na at the same time nireview ko na rin, simply because of these mags. Itong mga mags na to, kay Green Penoy ko na ito ilalagay. Doon sa isa kong gun blaster na kulay green. Yung kulay green ko na gun blaster. So, i-re-realign ko na lang to, tapos magte-trim na lang ako ng tires para dito sa... So, doon ko na siya ilalagay. So, yun yung mga ibang rason. Ito naman bahala na ako sa buhay ko kung saan ko gagamitin yan. Whether box stock or pro stock. It's alright. Bahala na ako. Yun, yung stock SMC na nandito, definitely box stock. O stock motor conference sa D-pads na Miri. Of course, itong stickers naman ito, it's up to me now kung bahala na ako sa buhay ko kung ano yung gagawin dyan. So it's okay to have that bahala ka sa buhay mo mentality when it comes to Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing. It's simply because we all have different preferences in setting up and customizing our Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drives for any race category that we want to play. Whether at box stock, pro stock, B-Max, Speed Tech, or Open, doesn't matter as long as you pinaka-purpose talaga natin is to have good, clean fun, and as well, ma-enjoy po natin Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive hobby. Regardless kung gaano ito kamahal o kamura. Hindi natin alintana. Hindi naman dapat alintana na hindi natin dapat alintana kung gaano kamahal yung ano natin. Pwede din namang unti-unti. No? It's alright na pwedeng unti-unti. Itong mga blue na to, yung mga malamang yung mga blue roller na lang at saka yung POM bearing na magagamit rito. Pero yung mga ibang parts dito, emergency. In case of emergency na lang. Alright. Of course, yung my instruction manual, nandyan na rin. Alright. So that goes our car kit review, and at the same time, our reasons for purchasing this car kit. So na-review na po natin lahat. So this will close out our dito na natin tatapusin. So ito nga po 'yon, yung Beat Magnum Premium, ang suggested or serving suggestion nitong Beat Magnum TRF. Beat Magnum Premium AR Kit, sorry. Ito yung yung serving suggestion. Pero pa rin yun, this may vary actually. Kaya nga sinasabi lagi, model may vary from the image on box. It's simply because we have the right to vary whether or not to vary this Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive or make the most out of this amazing car kit designed by Tamiya Corporation. So that goes our car kit review of Beat Magnum Premium AR Chassis Car Kit for our newest edition of DPAT's Tamiya Random Video Logs for the meantime. Dahil wala pa po yung iba ko pang mga order. Habang hinihintay ko yung mga order ko sa The Quick Shoutout pala, Tamiya Changi Online and The Quick Hobby Shop in the city of Malolos, Bulacan. Hopefully makakuha ko rin yung mga items ko real soon. Alright. Whenever you got the perfect time to do so. Alright mga kadipat, so that goes our car kit review of Beat Magnum Premium AR Chassis Car Kit 19444 item number. I repeat that number again, 19444, the item number of the item number of this amazing premium car kit designed by Tamiya Corporation, and number 44 of the fully cowled Mini 4-wheel drive series. Once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Paragular for now signing up, and thanking you so much to all who watch and whoever will drop by anytime on my car kit review, and also yung yung review na rin ng mga parts at kung saan ko ilalagay. So for now mga kadipat, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you. Protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs as well. So I'm leaving you with a pleasant Thursday afternoon to all of you, and as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Mahalaga Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Once again, thanks so much to Sherwin Larios Ballesteros and ATR or Asingan Tamiya Racing Team. Asingan Tamiya Racers Team, ATR team. Yeah. And as always, like I always remind each and every true Filipino across the globe, love the Philippines, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas, at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at magkaisang sabihin sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw na malakas ang ating banalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino, at sa mga manlulupig, hindi pasisiil. So once again, this has been our DPAT's Tamiya League Random Video Log for this edition. And once again, DPAT Aguilar saying, Shokran, 2 Senta.